Hello, and welcome back to our channel. I am so much excited as I am your research doctor for today. Today, we will talk about the 11 characteristics of a good research. Let's get started. The first characteristic is that the research has to be empirical. It means that the observations and real-life experiences are used to gather ethical and evidence-based information. The conclusions are drawn after rigorous scientific testing for accuracy. Secondly, the research should be properly controlled. Research results and conclusions are affected by variables. The relationship between variables is affected by intrinsic and extrinsic factors. The desired outcomes can only be reached if these factors and variables are controlled rigorously. Characteristic of a good research is being systemic and methodical. The researcher should employ a structured procedure to evaluate or obtain the required information to answer the research question. Furthermore, the research should be cyclical. A good research starts with a research question and ends with generation of new research questions. The fifth characteristic is that the research has to be accurate. The gathering of information, the use of research instruments and the analysis of the data. Hence the whole research process should be carried out accurately to obtain accuracy in the final research product. The research carried out by any investigator should be logical. It should be based on valid principles, and logical reasoning should be done involving both inductive and deductive methods. Another characteristic is replicability, reliability. A good research, when repeated in a new environment and different setting, with new samples/population and at a different point or period in time, gives valid and conclusive results. Eighth characteristic is that the research should be analytical. It should utilize all the available proven analytical procedures to gather data, leaving no ambiguity in inference. A good research should be a valid research. Validity of a research is the strength which determines the applicability of the research by proving research conclusions true or false. The 10th characteristic is generalizability. It is the ability of the research which enables its findings to be applicable over on a large population, or a different sample from the same population previously selected. Lastly, a good research possesses the quality of being critical. A good research should have the ability to exhibit careful and precise judgment. You want your research to stand out among everyone else's? Then make sure it possesses all these 11 characteristics. Comment below for any questions. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share the videos with others. Goodbye. Have a happy research journey.